Welcome to Nature Book Review, a video showcasing books on nature and wildlife.
Islands. Island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Islands are found throughout the world. They are present in the ocean, in the brackish water, that is estuaries and creeks. They are present in the rivers, lakes, that is freshwater, as well as man-made reservoirs. Islands have their own unique wildlife. It depends on the distance of the island from the mainland. Farthest is the island, very unique is the wildlife, because island wildlife develops its own adaptations which is different from the mainland. All of us know how Darwin galvanized his theory of evolution by looking at various animals on the Galapagos Islands. Now here is one book that tells us about this very unique topic, that is Wildlife of the Islands, written by William Amos. Wildlife of the Islands by William Amos. You can see Galapagos hawk sitting on the back of the Galapagos tortoise. Let's go through the book. The book has many photographs of very unique island wildlife. This book is published by Book Club Associates, London in 1980. Now, what are the contents? Preface, birth of an island, crucibles of evolution, polar islands in the northern seas, atolls and volcanoes, the Asian galaxy, the island continent and its neighbors, the Indian Ocean, the ancient islands of the Mediterranean across the wide Atlantic. Then there are picture credits, appendix and index. So it covers almost entire everything, right from the birth of the island to the different world islands. So there's a map over here. Map is very important, very useful. You can see the islands are scattered throughout the world, and here the islands are given color codes. Now each color is unique to its own region, like Atlantic region, Indian Ocean, Arctic, Polynesia, etc. So when you are reading a specific island and if you want to see its geographical location, you can come back on this map and see where it is. Now photographs are distributed throughout the book, and they are given a specific footnote at the base of it. Some of the photographs, they occupy entire both of the pages. Now the text doesn't occupy entire page, as here you can see it occupies around 3/4 of the page. The right side is not aligned, that is fine. The font size is also reasonably good. You can lie down and read. This book is not that heavy as it appears, though it is hardbound. Okay, the best part of this book I like is the appendix. Before appendix, the picture credits are given. Okay, now here is the depiction which tells about the creation of the island, volcanic islands. Okay, now a very unique case is exhibited here, the life on the Krakatau Island, the volcano which exploded in 1883. So I'll just read it. Although life on the volcanic islands of Krakatau was destroyed in 1883, the area was gradually repopulated. By 1935, over 270 species of the plants had returned. This graph shows the various ways they recolonized the islands over the years. So this is how it tells that how islands which can be destroyed by the volcanoes can be repopulated by wildlife without any human help. Then there are different methods of arrival, how island receives its wildlife. Then there is the filter effect, which is found between the islands, between the Indonesia and Australia. So as you move from Indonesia towards Australia, the Australian species increase and Asian species goes on decreasing. This is called as the filter effect. Then adaptive radiation in plants. Then adaptive radiation in birds. There are very good examples of Galapagos finches, where Darwin saw the finches and decided his theory. Then different examples over the different islands has been given. It is very elaborate. Then there is a separate description on kingfishers, and later you will see glossary, which is very important. then of course index. So for me this is a very good book on islands